Number 5. All right. You might be tempted to turn this guy into the sine of 2x. Don't do that. If you do it, it might be a little more complicated. What I would do is just find a GCF of sine of x, pull that out from each term. Sine x divided by sine x would give me 1. 1 goes in here. 2 sine x cosine x divided by sine x, the GCF, right, would give me minus 2 cosine x equals 0. And then now I've got two factors multiplied together equals 0, 0 product rule. All right, so I've got sine x equals 0, cosine x equals 1/2. Okay, sine x equals 0. I'm going to want to draw the unit circle to solve this guy. Okay. Since we're in the interval, that's going from 0 to, where does it say? 0 to 2 pi, and I'm not including 2 pi. I'm just going to like erase the 2 pi from over here so I don't accidentally include it. Okay. So now I've got sine x equals 0. On the unit circle, I'm looking for x is cosine, y is sine, y is sine. So I'm looking for a y coordinate of 0 on the unit circle. It's going to be this guy, this guy. That's it. So I've got x is equal to pi over 2. 0. Sorry, this pi over 2 was like kind of close to it. Let's make sure that he is going to that guy. So you got x is 0 and x is pi. Okay. And then if we went back around, we would include the 2 pi, but the interval is excluding 2 pi. So I've just got x is equal to 0 and pi for that guy. So for the next one, hold on, sorry, this thing is like zooming me in. Okay. I've got cosine of x is equal to 1/2. So the cosine of x is equal to 1/2. I should recognize that 1/2 is a common trig ratio on my chart. I'm going to use the one from up here from an earlier problem. And I've got cosine of x, so I'm in the cosine row. And the trig ratio I'm examining is 1/2, so that's happening over here. The angle that I'm dealing with is pi over 3. So pi over 3 is my reference angle. Now I'm going to consider what quadrant I'm going to be in using all students take calc. So cosine, it looks like, is positive in quadrant 4 and quadrant 1. I only want the positive because the answer here is positive. And then I'm going to reject quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. All right, so I've got pi over 3. He's in quadrant 1, pi over 3. If I rotate around the unit circle right in quadrant 2, I would have, let's see, pi over 3. 2 pi over 3 would be in quadrant 2. 3 pi over 3 would be right here. 4 pi over 3 would be this guy. And then 5 pi over 3 would be in the 4th quadrant. 5 pi over 3. Okay, so I've got x is equal to pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Sorry, that's a weird 3. Okay, so all together, if I put my solutions all together and I list them in order, descending order, I've got x is equal to 0, pi over 3, pi, 5 pi over 3. That's it.